Hi, my name's Peter Schubert. I'm the president of Green Fortress Engineering, based here in Greensburg, Indiana. 2.5 centuries ago, hydrogen was discovered, the most abundant element in the universe. 100 years later, the first solar cell turned sunlight into electricity. 100 years from now, humanity will power all of its operations on water and sunlight through the magic of silicon, which was discovered 194 years ago. If we look at the moon, it is 1/5 silicon by weight. Fresh evidence now also indicates water ice in permanently shadowed lunar craters up to 30%. Green Fortress Engineering has 8 U.S. patents, both with how to produce solar panels and hydrogen storage on the moon, all based on silicon. With sunlight and water, we can open up the solar system in a way never before possible. Our solid-state hydrogen storage tanks not only power a nuclear thermal rocket for a 3-month trip to Mars, but also provide protection against cosmic radiation. Our fast ships can take this extraction technology to the asteroids and harvest platinum. Back on Earth, we sell this platinum to the fuel cell companies, and voila, now we have water and sunshine powering the entirety of human enterprise, now and for all time to come, with little or no pollution. This is the ultimate sustainable technology, and this is clean tech like you've never seen it before. It opens up the heavens for human exploration and exploitation. The trillions of dollars in wealth that orbit our star can be ours. Green Fortress Engineering has the keys, and we're applying them right now to solve terrestrial problems today. Join us on a pathway to the future. Thank you very much.